Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Belgaum location. It is from Karnataka. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available from Bajaj Finserv. They are looking for executive rural gold loans. If you see the job duties and key responsibilities, like to achieve given sales announced through customer walk-in and work closely with the branch service executives to drive gold loan customers for fulfillment, ensuring policy adherence and meeting compliance requirement, tracking approval rate and other critical SLA deliverables for gold loan product, and supporting a share in operations or documentation. These are some duties and responsibilities for this job role. And if you see the required qualifications and experience for this job role, like the candidate should be a graduate with 1 to 3 years of relevant work experience, and the candidate should have knowledge of cross sell or gold loan sales, and the candidate should have good selling skills and interpersonal skills. This is about the job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for channel team lead in Amazon. And if you see the essential skills required for this job role, like the candidates should have strong execution skills, action oriented and go-getter attitude, and resourceful to identify the way to get things done using limited resources, and the ability to work under pressure situations, and the ability to work in ambiguous situations and to come out with solutions as per the situations faced. These are the essential skills required for this job role. And coming to the basic qualifications, like the candidate should be having any graduate and experience in logistics field or FMCG or B2B sales field highly preferred, and people management experience is essential, and experience in handling external and multiple stakeholders including team, vendors, clients, field executives is highly desirable. And the candidates should have good communication skills, both spoken and written English is must. These are some basic qualifications required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for junior research analyst in proposal helper. And if you see the qualifications required for this job role, like the candidates must have excellent computer and internet research skills, and be curious and inquisitive, and get excited about connecting dots and finding business intelligence and opportunities, excellent client and personal relationship skills, and minimum associate's degree or equivalent experience in research or business development. And some more qualifications are also given here, and you please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for technical support engineer in FAST. And coming to the job description, like to provide customer satisfaction on every call or email or chat or WhatsApp, and to ensure closure of the ticket or email or chat or WhatsApp within the prescribed date, and to provide speedy resolution, and willingness to work in rotational offs and rotational shifts if needed, and to resolve products or service problems by clarifying the customer's complaint. This is the job description. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for station manager in Thermax Limited. And if you see the qualifications required for this job role, like the candidates should have BE Mech, is preferably BOE having O&M experience in thermal power plant, and 12 to 16 years of relevant experience is required. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, like to ensure OTP for project delivery schedule, control, monitor and coordinate entire project management in coordination with respective functions, and apply for delivery extension and liquidated damages wherever applicable, and conduct regular reviews with ink and materials to ensure timely supply. These are some roles and responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Oracle Apps Testing Lead and it is from Wipro. And for this job role, 5 to 8 years of experienced candidates are eligible. And if you see the key skills required, like the candidates should have the experience in Oracle Apps Testing L3 is mandatory, and in Oracle Application Testing Suite or OATS L3. These are some key skills required for this job role. And if you see the responsibilities, as a team lead, you are responsible for managing a small team of analysts, developers, testers, or engineers and right delivery of a small module within a project, delivery on maintenance or testing. And you may serve as entry-level specialist with expertise in particular technology or industry domain or a process or application or product. And you are responsible for functional or technical track of project. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for business analyst project management in CodeWave Technologies. And if you see the responsibilities for this job role, like define monthly milestones and weekly sprint plans, and with work breakdown and estimates for teams to plan their efforts. And some more responsibilities are also given here. You please check once. Interested candidates for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.